Vanakkam everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share another new recipe. This is vegetarian fried noodles, Chinese style. This is a very quick and easy to prepare recipe using very minimum ingredients. We need 400 grams of fresh yellow noodles, or you can use any noodles of your choice. You can use spaghetti or any dry noodles. Follow the instruction and pre-cook the noodles before we start. What we need is 4 to 5 pips of garlic, 1 medium onion, 2 fresh red chilies, some salt, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, some pepper, a piece of tofu, half cup of soya chunks or meal maker, 6 or 7 dried mushrooms, 100 grams of bean sprouts, 7 to 8 stalks of Chinese chives. Very importantly, we need this light soya sauce and this caramel sauce, some light vegetable oil. Soak the noodles in hot water and rinse it a few times to remove the excess oil. If you're using spaghetti on dry noodles, pre-cook it. Soak the soya chunks and mushrooms in hot water for at least 10 minutes. Use a chopstick or fork to loosen the noodles and drain it well. Rinse the soya chunks. Squeeze out the water as much as possible. Rinse the mushrooms and squeeze the water. Chop the garlic. Slice the chives into 1-inch strips. Cut the chilies and slice the onion. Cut the tofu and place it on a paper towel to absorb the moisture. Heat a wok or a frying pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and fry the tofu. You can use paneer if tofu is not available. Once it's golden brown, remove it from the pan. Using the same pan, fry the soya chunks. Keep tossing it to lightly fry. After 1 or 2 minutes, add a pinch of salt and some pepper. Stir it well and add 1 tablespoon of light soya sauce. Stir everything well. After about a minute, it should be well coated. You can remove it and set it aside. Heat a large frying pan or a wok. Add 3 tablespoons of light cooking oil and fry the onions and garlic. Use medium heat and stir it well. Saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of water to the chili powder. Make it into a paste and add it in. Use fresh chili paste if preferred. Now, add more water if it's necessary. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure you scrape the bottom. Don't let it burn. Cook until the oil comes out. Now this is already done. You can add the sliced mushrooms, add a little salt, stir everything and cook for 1 minute. After 1 minute, you can add the noodles. Lightly stir it. Now you have to add all the rest of the ingredients. We start with the dark soya sauce. It's also known as caramel sauce. Use 1 tablespoon. If it's a bit light, you can use a little more. Reduce the heat. Stir well until everything is evenly coated. After cooking it for about 2 minutes, now you can add the fresh vegetables. We are using bean sprout and Chinese chives. If these vegetables are not available, you can use carrots, cabbage, mustard leaves, broccoli, cauliflower. Stir and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, you always have to scrape the bottom of the pan to get the charred taste. And don't let anything burn. Turn the heat to very low if you find it's burning. Once the vegetables are cooked, you can add the fried tofu. Keep stirring. If you are using paneer or cottage cheese, do not add it now because it will crumble. You have to add it at the end. Add the fresh chilies and remember, always scrape the bottom of the pan. Taste it. If salt is needed, add some light soya sauce. Omit this step if salt is not needed. If you want it extra spicy, you can add more fresh red chilies. Now lastly, add the soya chunks and stir everything well. You can use puffed tofu if it's available instead of soya chunks. If you are using fried paneer or cottage cheese, you add it at the end and lightly toss it. Now you can turn off the heat. Our fried noodles is ready. Transfer it to a serving dish and serve it hot. Serve it with some sliced red chilies with soya sauce. You definitely have to try this recipe. Share with us your photos and your comments. Till we meet again soon with another recipe. Vanakkam. Bye.
Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.